everyone. You didn't get attacked. He's right there. Yeah. I actually just caught someone right before you. I think you're safe. See it? It might swoop me. I'm a little bit worried. Here is the notorious bird right here on this car. This is the bird that everyone's been talking about. People have gotten attacked by it more than once daily.
Oh, it's going.
Oh, is it gonna get him? Look, he doesn't know.
Chirping at him here.
Oh, oh. That bird wants him, yeah. Oh, oh. Look at them. The bird and this guy are chatting it up. He's trying to keep the bird from attacking, but I think it might attack.
Damn it.
Twice.